Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. There is a huge trap in Nifty 50 right now because of an indecision in the market. Both the buyers and the sellers are trying to make an upper hand on those indexes, but we don't know a proper direction whether the Nifty 50 is going to be in a positive movement or in a negative movement. As we all know that the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty was in a consolidated mode for a longer period of time, and they broke that consolidation on the parallel channel with a heavy green candle and with a heavy volume. So we expected that they are going to go in a new higher zones, but unfortunately because of a huge selling pressure, the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty was getting in a reverse direction, where again it's going to be in the same parallel channel. If the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty drop into that specific parallel channel, then we see a huge downward movement towards into a next lower level. So I would request all my fellow investors to be very cautious before go ahead and invest in any of the individual stocks, as we all know that the individual stocks are interrelated with the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty movements only. So please be patient until unless we get a confirmation whether the Nifty 50 is going to be in an upward movement or in a next positive direction. I will let you know, and I will show you exactly where the Nifty 50 is right now and what are the directions, whether if it goes in a positive side or if it goes in a negative side. And I will explain you with the help of technical chart patterns the parallel channel which is already formed in the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted a video on breakout stocks. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.
Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. If you see the chart on my screen, this chart is for Nifty 50 on a weekly basis. You could able to see it clearly that Nifty 50 was in a parallel channel for a longer period of time, and this parallel channel was broke with a heavy volume with a heavy green candle. But once after the parallel channel was broke, there is no upward movement which is going to go into a new higher zones. This channel was broke with a heavy volume, but still this one was completely changed the trend from an upward movement to a downward movement. This candle which you are seeing over here is a bearish candle, which where we could able to see it clearly. The higher pressure on the upper side was trying to make an upper hand by breaking this strong resistance line, and then again it failed back with a huge selling pressure. So this candle meaning like there is a huge sellers are waiting at this point of time to move the Nifty 50 in a downward trend. So if this candle is going to be just below this parallel channel from here, which is going to be below 18,510, then it's going to go in a consolidated zone again, where exactly that there is a huge indecision and we don't know whether the Nifty 50 is going to be again in an upward movement or going to move further down towards again into 18,000 or the 16,000. So I would request all you to be very cautious just before go ahead and enter in any of the individual stocks or park your money. Wait for some time until and unless we get a confirmation from the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty whether both the trends are going to be in a positive zone and a bullish mode. Whatever the stocks which you are or which you want to invest right now are for sure going to be in a reverse direction, and just wait for some time to get a strong support from both Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty, and that for individual stock as well. If you please make sure you take your wise decision just before go ahead and buy any of the individual stock. I would recommend not to invest in any of the individual stock right now at this moment because of an indecision from both big indexes like Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty. I'm sure that there is a huge gap down, or there is a huge breakdown which is going to be happening in both Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty, and going to be in a parallel channel again, where we see a very strong consolidation or very strong downward movement for some days. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification for all the analysis on breakout stocks as well as value indexing stocks.